Today, we have a very special story to help you improve your English. If you want to practice your listening skills, you are in the right place. And if you also want to improve your speaking, you can practice something called shadowing. What is shadowing? It's a fun and easy way to practice English. You listen to me, and then you repeat what I say, trying to copy the way I speak. It's like being my shadow. You follow my voice. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly. After each sentence, I will pause so that you can repeat after me. First, listen carefully. Then, say the sentence out loud, just like me. Try to match my pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. You can pause the video anytime to practice more, and you can watch this video again and again. That's how you get better. You will also see all the text on the screen so you can read and follow along. This will help you understand better and learn new words too. Now, let me tell you a little bit about today's story. It's about a girl named Elena. She has been learning English for a few years. Her English is not perfect, but she can speak and understand quite well. She needs to travel to another state in the U.S., and something funny happens. What do you think it could be? Let's find out together. So are you ready to practice with me? Let's get started. My name is Elena. Today I am traveling to another state. I have a ticket. I have my bag. Airport. This time I use a new airport. Why? Because the flight is cheaper. I think, that's perfect. I can save money. But I don't know this airport. I have never been here before. Now I arrive. I see cars. I see signs. But where is the airport? I don't see the check-in area. I think, this is strange. Where do I go? Then I see a bus. It says shuttle. I think, do I need this bus? I ask someone, excuse me, does this bus go to the check-in area? He says something, but I don't understand. He talks fast. Too fast. I say thank you, and I walk to the bus. Now I think, okay, maybe this is right. Maybe the bus goes to the airport. But I have a small problem. There is no sign inside the bus. There is no screen. I don't know the stops. I don't know when to get off. I think, maybe I will see the check-in area. Maybe it is easy. The bus starts moving. It turns, then turns again. I wait, and wait, and wait. Nothing happens. I don't see a check-in area. I don't see an airport. Then the bus stops. I look outside. Wait, what? Parking lot. I think, no, what is this? Why am I back here? This cannot be real. I just go in a big circle. Now I don't know what to do. I think, do I try again? Do I ask someone? What is happening right now? I stay on the bus. I don't move. I don't say anything. Then the bus driver looks at me. He says, "You didn't get off." I say, "I don't know where to get off." He laughs. He says, "That's okay. Let's go again. I'll help you." I think, okay, maybe this time it works. Now we go again. This is my second ride. The bus moves. I look outside. I see the same streets. I see the same buildings. I think, okay, this looks the same. I remember this part. Then, the bus stops again, but the driver says nothing. I don't know. Should I get off now? I wait. The bus moves again. I think, no, maybe that was the stop. Now I'm nervous. What if I miss the right stop again? The bus turns. It stops again. Now the driver says, "This is not your stop." Wait, what? He is watching me? He says, "Don't worry. I know where you need to go." I say, "Okay, thank you." But I still don't know where we're going. What if I never get to the airport? What if I miss my flight? Then the bus stops again. This time the driver says, "Now! This is the place. Check-in is over there." I feel so happy. But then he says something funny. He says, "You just had the full tour. First ride is free." Oh no, I feel so embarrassed. But at least I made it to my destination. Now I get off the bus. The driver points and says, "Go that way. You will find the check-in area." I say, "Thank you so much." I walk a little, and yes, I see it. I see the check-in counters. Finally, I think, I'm here. I can check in now. But wait, where is my ticket? I check my phone. Yes, I have the ticket. Everything is okay. I walk to the line. I wait. I look around. Then, I hear something. It's the same bus again. The same driver is back. He stops the bus. He opens the door. He shouts, "Hey, you forgot something." I think, oh no, did I leave my bag? I run to the bus. I ask, "What did I forget?" He smiles and says, "You forgot to wave goodbye." What? Is that a joke? Yes, it's a joke. I laugh. He laughs. Then he says, "Next time, you'd better ask which stop is yours. And you'd better not ride the full tour again." I say, "Okay, you're right. Next time, I'd better ask more questions." He drives away. I stand there. I think, you'd better be ready when you use a new airport. You'd better listen carefully when people talk fast. And you'd better remember that airport planes don't wait. This airport is not easy, but I make it. I am here. I'm ready for my flight. And now I know what to do next time. This is a funny story, but also an important one. Sometimes, when we are in a new place, we don't understand everything. Sometimes, people speak fast. Sometimes, we are not sure what to do. But that's okay. We are learning. We are growing. And every mistake is part of the process. In this story, I don't understand the directions. I don't know where to get off the bus. I go in a big circle. It feels confusing. It feels a little scary. But in the end, I find my way. That is just like learning English. Maybe you don't understand every word. Maybe you don't say the sentence perfectly. Maybe you feel nervous when you speak. But keep going. You'd better not give up. You'd better practice more. Every mistake helps you. Every try makes you better. You don't need perfect English. You just need to communicate, and people will help you, like the bus driver helped me. So today, remember this. It's okay to feel lost sometimes. It's okay to make mistakes. You're doing great just by trying. Keep listening. Keep practicing. Keep speaking out loud. You're not just learning English. You are learning how to be confident. And one day you'll say, I remember when English was hard, but now I speak with no fear. Language takeaway. Now, let's look at some useful phrases and vocabulary from Sarah's story. These are words and expressions you can use when you travel or even in daily life. In the story, the bus driver says, You'd better ask which stop is yours. You'd better not ride the full tour again. What does you'd better mean? It means it's a good idea to do something. It's like giving strong advice or a warning. We say, you'd better plus base verb. Example, you'd better study. You'd better ask questions. You'd better not be late. Be careful. If you say you'd better not, it means don't do it. Examples from the story. You'd better not ride the full tour again. You'd better listen next time. You can use it to give advice to others or to yourself. Like Elena says, I'd better ask more questions next time. I'd better check the stops. Practice time. Repeat after me now. Repeat some sentences out loud. You'd better ask for help. You'd better not wait too long. You'd better be careful next time.